Hi, I'm Kyleigh from Freedom Vans, and I'm here today to give you a tour of our latest van conversion. This is a Sprinter 144 four-wheel drive. We have about 10 feet, just over 10 feet of floor space that we're working with for this conversion. So it's a lot shorter than our 170 builds, about 4 feet shorter. We're building this for a couple who wanted a nice open layout, so I have quite a few modular elements to show you. So let's start with the exterior. On this van, we kept the exterior pretty minimal. We have a Fiamma awning. No roof rack on this van, but their solar panel is mounted to their roof rails. We also have the flare space bump outs, which give them extra sleeping space so that they were able to sleep from side to side. And then we have an electric step on this van. The electric step is really nice because it gives you more clearance when you're driving off-road. This electric step has a special feature where we added a toggle switch, so you can manually put it up and down, unlike some of the other electric ones. It was really sweet watching this couple customize their van together because they took into account what the other wanted, and it was very much that the husband had specific needs. He really wanted to keep the two-person bench seat, and the wife really wanted a large kitchen space, and they kind of just worked with each other around those two specific needs. And I think that we successfully were able to accommodate both of them while also giving them a van that they both love. So over here on the kitchen space, we have this outdoor table. This table is a little bit larger than the tables that we normally put here, which is why we have it swing down rather than swing up, and it's nice and low, so I made a cheese plate here earlier. It's really easy to work on. So over here we have a space for the outdoor shower. This is a quick connection where the shower can connect into with their mixer valve, and this will be a great location because they can shower off their dog, anything that they need to do over here. They also have another outdoor shower location in the back. Let's go inside. Over here we have their bench seat. They have the Lagoon table mount. So both of them can sit here, or one person can sit in the swivel passenger seat and one person can sit here. It's a nice big table. The bench seat is really nice because it comes out to make space for that two-person bench seat. So it's very modular. It also turns into a dog bed at night, which I'll go ahead and show you. So you lift this up, and underneath here we have some legs. Pull down to support the dog's weight. And then this cushion comes in the front, and it has some Velcro so that when that's flipped around, these two pieces Velcro together and the dog won't be able to push them apart. Let's just take a pause real quick to highlight some of the craftsmanship in this van. This is a headliner cabinet that we built in order to have a clear coated finish on this. With this angle, we actually used solid maple. So it's a really beautiful piece of furniture. This was a really cute idea that our client had. It's a mini flip down coffee shelf. So it holds your coffee mug, there's a little routered out area, and then this just flips up and magnetizes into place. The kitchen was a huge priority in this van, so we created a nice long countertop space with lots of storage underneath. Down here we have the water system. This water system has a 5-gallon fresh tank and a 5-gallon gray water. They'll also be able to carry more 5-gallon bottles of fresh water that they can interchange. In the back we have a fold-down bed, so in order to maximize countertop space when that bed is folded down, we added a flip-up countertop and then a pull-out countertop over here. Although this one's covered when the bed's down. That will maximize the counter space when the bed is down. We also have a little flip-up outlet right here. They will have an induction cooktop, so it'll be nice for them to have extra outlets for their appliances. On the other side of the kitchen galley, we have their refrigerator cabinet and a little pantry, as well as a spot to put their phones and their iPad when they're in bed. Originally, we did have a toilet planned into this build. There was going to be a toilet underneath the refrigerator cabinet with the refrigerator on top, but since they're planning to take shorter trips, they decided to nix the toilet. One of the trickiest components of this van was a fold-down bed solution. So we decided to do it in two parts. One, so that if someone were tired and wanted to take a quick nap, just half of the bed folds down, and that opens up the rest of the space. And then both parts fold down for a full-size bed. So that was bringing the bed down, and now let me show you how easy it is to put it back up. Well, within here we have their power system. We have a 200 amp hour lithium battery bank, 2000 watt Renogy inverter, shore power, so that's their battery charger, disconnect switches for the solar and the batteries, and then this one has a distribution panel so that they're actually able to charge their outlets just by plugging in. Typically, the way that our shore power works is that the shore power connects directly to the battery charger, which then charges the batteries, and the whole system works off of the batteries. This has a distribution panel where when you connect to shore power, you have the option of charging your batteries or connecting directly to the outlets. One of my favorite features of this van is the long egress hallway. We were able to keep enough width that you can actually roll out a yoga mat here and have a lovely practice. So that's the end of our tour. Thank you so much for following along with us. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll just be here doing yoga watching the sunset. Have a great night. Bye.
Wow. This is like beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's your kitchen.
There's your
Custom
Oh,
kitchen.
I love the table.
say we saw the plans and told you what we wanted, but it's much more.
Oh, great.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks comfy.
It does.
Yes. Wow, it's I'd say it's better than I had imagined even.
Wow.
Yeah.
The way we came not exactly knowing what we wanted, and you guys just kind of helped develop our vision and made it even more spectacular than we could have come up with.
You're right. We told you what we wanted, but you built us what we need.
I love it. Thank you so much. This is...
Yeah, nice work.